Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to buy product from Facebook Marketplace. So let's get started. First, head over to the Facebook Marketplace. Then look for the product that you want to purchase. Let's say for example, I want to purchase this item right here, Vivo Y12s. From here, you can either send the seller a message. As you can see right here, the default message is, "Hello, is this still available?" Of course, you can change that if you wanted to, and then all you have to do is click on send. Or you can send the seller an offer by clicking this button right here. Here, you'll be given three options. One is the default price. The second one is 10% lower, and the other one is a little higher. Or if you wanted to offer a different amount, you can click on this right here. Now you can type the amount that you want to offer, and once you're done, you just hit send offer, and that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please consider dropping a like and subscribing to the channel.